stopped again. There's a biker down there going.
Because there's so many sharp turns.
Yeah. So cool. Haven't pedaled once.
Hey guys, what's up? Ralph coming at ya. I'm just about to head out and meet up with Lou. She had an appointment this morning, and it's Thursday morning, if I didn't mention that already. You would probably know that anyway. And it's just been a busy morning editing the video from yesterday. And Lou had an appointment, like I said, so we decided we would meet up for an early lunch before she goes to work. So, minor inconvenience. I just got home from lunch with Lou, and work needs something done, and I forgot to back it up, so now I have to go to the office. That's fun. Not expecting to have to do that today, but what can you do? So, here's a little trip. On the road. Hey guys, Ralph coming at ya. Finally done my work shenanigans. Got stuff figured out, and Lou just finished work, so I'm going to meet her. Apparently there's some stuff going on downtown, some big stage and samples and fun stuff, so gonna go check that out.
The Canadian National Anthem. Please welcome once again to the stage, Voices del Sur.
Hey. You want some dinner?
Yeah?
Dude, I just saw the torch come down here.
Oh wow.
It was
Is
the
that what this
most
is?
amazing thing ever. Yeah,
Legitimately?
It was pretty cool. I got goosebumps. I've never
that's cool.
experienced something like that before.
Crazy. That was totally random and kind of fun.
Yeah.
So it's something for the Pan Am Games. They're bringing the torch through or something. Pan Am Games are in Toronto this year in July. So they were doing some torch ceremony here.
Mm-hmm. We didn't know about it until I was walking home.
Didn't know about it until she was coming home. I noticed it when I was walking by, but I didn't know what it was. They didn't do a very good job of letting people know what it was. But it worked out to our advantage because we got some free wine and a free bag.
Well, the bag was a quarter.
The bag was 25 cents. But
nice.
we did win some vino, which, I mean, if you want it one way to make your Thursday night better, free wine is got to be in the top 10 list. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
right.
Definitely.
Great. Thanks for your support.
It's It's gonna rain.
And it's gonna rain. And we made it home just before it's starting to rain, so we get to enjoy free wine while everyone gets wet outside on a Thursday night. Alright guys, we are gonna call it a vlog, and we're gonna leave you with another little TBT. It looks like you guys enjoyed the TBT from last week, our first anniversary celebration. This time we're gonna throw back to Maui. We've got so much footage from Maui.
Oh yeah.
A lot of it's in the vlogs, like some of our first early on vlogs, and a lot of it has probably been cut out too in editing and stuff. But it was fairly early on when we got there that we did the biking trip.
Yeah.
We biked down Haleakala, and we started at 6,500 feet.
Yeah, we biked down a volcano.
Yeah, and it's the steepest highway in the world, apparently, and it was really cool. It was a lot of fun. I wish I want to go back and do it with like a GoPro and just like be more, because at the beginning I wasn't really super into the vlogs.
No,
and it was kind of hard to film. And
the one shot that you did get of actually biking down the hill, you're like, I'm gonna try to film. Like you'd never done it before.
Yeah.
Kind of a pro
We're using an
now.
iPod too.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, just in hindsight, I kind of wish that I had been more into the vlogging, because I would have tried to get better video. But still, it was really cool. We have a couple cool clips for you guys. So
it was fun. And did you know that trip, my grandpa sent us money and we used it to bike down. He said, he said, don't use this money for food, use it for a trip. Like, use it for an adventure is what he said.
Yeah, I do remember that.
Yeah, so we used it to bike down a volcano.
Yeah, it was totally awesome. So much fun.
It was amazing.
It was so awesome. So check it out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you on Monday. It's the weekend. Guys, we have 1 week left on our t-shirts, so if you guys want to grab some swag, then head over to the Teespring store and check it out. Thank you so much to all of you guys who have supported. We met our fulfillment for the purple shirts, so thank you guys so much.
Cool. Oh my word.
It is very helpful in getting us to VidCon and stuff like that, so thank you very much. And
awesome, guys.
Have a fantastic weekend. Happy Father's Day to you, fathers, and we'll see you guys Monday.
Bye.
Peace.
Here we are at almost the top of the mountain. 6,500.
1,000.
1,000. Oh my goodness.
No, 6,000. No, that's right.
Anyway.
That's cool.
It's high.
Sure. You want to pedal uphill?
Emily and Elma.
National Park is half a mile from here. Then if you want to get in the park, you got to pay $10.
It's our tour guide.
Huh? You got to pass. Then you're good. You get.
Okay, this is our third little stop so far.
I'll get my eye in the viewfinder.
Trying to take a photo.
Here, look at me. Look. I want to get photos too.
Can't do both.
No.
How about doing on
Here we are.
longboard?
Stopped again.
I don't know how someone
There's a biker down there going.
because there's so many sharp turns.
Yeah.
So cool. Haven't pedaled once. Yeah. It's cool. More bikers down there.
Okay. I'm going to attempt to drive slowly with the iPod around this corner. This is the eucalyptus forest, and it's very pretty. It's probably the most beautiful part of the drive so far. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. Look at the trees there. Eucalyptus, and I can't remember the name of the other trees, but they're actually the trees that they use to make Vicks vapor rub. So it smells like Vicks when you're driving through here. And the tour guide said if we're feeling congested while we're driving, we could just stop and sniff the flowers and we'll be all good. pace a bit here. And I'm only using my front brake, so I can't really slow down too quick or I'm gonna die, get launched off.
Hey Chico! We just be chillin'.